2,500 within those 3 days.
Yep, 2,500.
Okay.
Well, that's awesome. You're gonna get it. You're gonna get it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm hoping, man. I'm
No,
hoping, man. I'm hoping.
no, you will. You definitely will. Well, welcome, Legacy Wealth Society. Welcome, YouTube. Good morning. Hopefully, all you guys are having a great morning so far. It's Thursday. Another day when we're going to make $1 or a few. This market before opening already pushed up quite a bit. We're going to have to see what we get today. Remember, patience, gentlemen, patience. There is no rush.
You're right about that.
There is no rush. We rush, but there is no rush.
Right about that.
That's good. That's good. Awesome. Let me pin that comment. Where's it at? Of course, that doesn't want to work that way. That'd be too easy. That'd be too easy. All right, let me try getting this handled real quick. I'm trying to pin a comment on the streams, and
I'm gonna jump on the stream too when I get home. I'm gonna jump on it in my brother's room.
Okay.
So get your little viewers up.
I appreciate that. Yo, we've been crushing it. We've been pushing over 80,000 views. And each day now we're adding probably about like 20 some hours of watch time. So okay. We're definitely moving in the right direction.
How many views you had yesterday?
It goes up and down. Okay. But for yesterday, let me see. Just on the view status, let me go back. Hold on. Yeah. We had over 4,000 views just yesterday.
That's good, Duane.
So.
That's good, D-Rock.
We'll take it. You know what I'm saying? We'll definitely take it.
The box in the house.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. Oh, I see what you put. The boxer. I just saw that, Steve. I just saw it. You got your box set up?
Oh yeah, my box. Like usually the only boxes around here are Amazon boxes, but I got something new happening today.
Yeah, I'm gonna overextend the box with the over the the pre-market.
Yeah, I did the same. So I already took a trade, and I jumped out just because I'm waiting for market open, but already proven itself.
Mm-hmm. And look, I already went on top. It already went on top of that box.
Yeah.
Now it's on its way. It should be on its way down.
Yep. So it's a good time to be alive, brother.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And then D-Bop over here is all quiet and stuff. Are you okay?
No. I'll read a text from my brother.
What did it say? My brother,
I love you. No. No, because we were talking about Tradeify yesterday. And then today he just emailed me because Apex, which I traded with previously, gotten just a few payouts with them. Everyone's trying to compete right now because with more prop firms popping up and prop firms that are actually doing pretty well.
Mm-hmm.
Everyone has all these other companies. They have to compete with each other to get the business, our business. You know what I'm saying? So Apex is running a crazy deal right now, trying to get people to buy their accounts, and all in, it would be a total of $84, and that's on all sizes.
But
What?
wait, there's more.
Yeah. Yep. So that's if you're doing the 50K, 100K, 150K, all in with their stuff. That's the activation fee would be $84.
Yeah, but will they
Oh.
pay?
That's the whole thing. You know what I'm saying? Like that sounds really good. Oh, all in, but then it's like denied.
You get the guy that hangs out behind the AM PM mini market, and he's like, "Hey man, you want to buy my $250,000 prop?" And I'm like, "No, I'm good."
Like, but no, it is crazy. It is crazy, but gotta love it. Gotta love it. Competition is good for us.
No, you know, because you got the way I think of these prop firms is it's like the same as insurance companies.
We're
So
not going
insurance
to
company.
do that building. When they gonna start on this one? The one next.
So like the insurance companies,
What
you know,
about
like
15?
everybody judges their
all right.
risk. You know what I mean? So it's like, or what what they'll cover, what they won't cover.
Yeah.
They're all coming up with like an actuary system. It's quite interesting, but it seems like you're not interested in me talking anymore. So I'm gonna.
I am listening. I'm listening. Yes, yesterday, uh, went bike riding. Me and my girl went bike riding yesterday because yesterday was leg days, and I don't trust doing actual leg press and all that stuff yet.
Why?
Because because of the knee. You know what I'm saying? Like,
yeah. Hey, listen, Duane. I'm going through that same thing. Trust
you
me.
know. So I'm trying to baby it. It's been really good now, but like doing the bike, everything like that will help like rehab it.
Right.
So we went bike riding yesterday, and while out there, it was a great ride. We did over like 8 miles, well, over 7 miles, close to 8.
Oh, that's good.
That's
good, Duane.
And at one point, I went to pull out my phone to record the bike so I could post it. You know what I'm saying? Tell me how your boy almost wiped out. Like I almost crashed. Like because our section of the neighborhood is separate from the large side of the neighborhood where like the clubhouse, everything like that is. So we had to drive through like this small little path, like with hedges to get to the other side of the large community. Because our side is like probably like 70 homes or less over here with our own private gate entrance, the whole shebang. So while going through this path with hedges, like my handlebars, because I have hooks on them, like clip the bush while I'm trying to record. And I'm like, oh no, I'm getting ready to crash. And I got it recorded, so I'm probably going to play it here in a little bit.
Okay, but we got 40 seconds to market open.
40 seconds. 40 seconds, people. Gotta make a couple dollars today. Or a lot of dollars. I'm good with either.
Boy, it's like
that's looking like a big old. It's looking like a bull flag on the 2 minute. Well, not like how that's looking right there, but.
Oh, you're loving it.
But looking at this 5, that's more of a bear flag right there. Interesting. So we got the VWAP currently sitting on mine 660 for the VWAP. Closed from yesterday 645.75. Let's see what we get here. Your boy's excited. I feel recharged. Yeah, I think I found a way that I'm gonna start losing crazy weight.
Let me know. Fill me in.
Well, all it is for me, I think, because I do the carnivore on top of the one meal a day, right?
Right.
But I eat crazy late. Like I'm literally eating like my dinner like at midnight, something like that. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Where I'm thinking about switching it. Like yesterday, I had a late lunch. Me and my girl, we had a late lunch yesterday, but I only eat one meal a day, so I just let that be my meal for the day.
Right.
And I woke up feeling good. You know what I'm saying? So I may just start eating earlier in the day, so that way I'm not eating like right before bed. This bad boy dropping like it's hot. Just hit the close from yesterday.
No, man, I get that.
We have a pivot point below us all the way down there at pretty 58425. 58425.
Well, we're taking this thing down. We're going down.
It's crazy though, because if Moose was here, he'd be like the retracement, because we literally retraced that big move.
That's what I'm looking at now.
Oh, Moose is here. I didn't know. He heard me. He heard me.
He's a retracer.
I'm here. I'm watching it.
We're all watching, sir. We're all watching. We're all biting at the bit, ready to make some money. But we're down here at the close from yesterday, so we're just waiting.
What scares me is the prior 3-4 hour candles. Those look crazy.
Let's see what we got. Not much on those hour candles. The past couple, very small. Well, welcome everybody on the streams. Appreciate you guys tuning in here. Let's make some money, stay safe in the markets, and no rush. There is no rush to this, people. It's only been 3 minutes. Order filled. Anyways, let's stay safe in the markets. Let's act like we know what we're doing. And we're going to keep it moving.
Order filled. Who did that? Order filled.
All right, this bad boy is still waterfalling here. Oh my Jesus. Oh my. Woo. Woo. We got the pivot point below us next. Oh boy. Oh, Betsy.
Come on, Betsy.
All right, there's that pivot point. What? So we're just, did something come out? Like, this is crazy. This is craziness.
That's my favorite boxing right now. But like, G and me, we don't diddle in the middle, right, G?
We're far from the middle right now.
Well, no, not in my chart.
On that 1 minute, there was a beautiful bear flag up there. No, I realized I got to get back to the basics for me, because I kind of switched up my trading once I got hit with the micro scalping from Tradeify. And I'm like, I can't allow that to affect how I trade. So,
You know, if you're holding trades and the market's just chopping, it's gambling.
So I'm going right back to what got me all the payouts, and that's it. Like, We're gonna keep it moving.
Made a quick little 265 on that.
G's over here crushing it, people.
Gotta go with that momentum.
Let's see if we build out a bear flag, because we know the market likes to repeat itself.
What did you say?
The market loves to repeat itself.
Oh, okay.
Don't know if you heard me. I'll say it for the people in the back of the class.
Say it into this ear. Say it into this ear.
The market loves to repeat itself, people. And actually, let me make sure the stream's sounding good. Yep. No, there's no echo today. I could not use yesterday's stream to post shorts because there was an echo. Because I had my camera up here, because I switched cameras. I'm not sure if people realize. My camera over here has a built-in mic that was picking up the audio as well. So it's putting an echo on the stream. No bueno. No bueno.
Well, when are we gonna see that your stunts driving on your cycle?
Oh. Well, sir, let me pull it up here. I'm gonna have to do this 2 separate times. Media source.
The heat getting rid of every coat, still fucking with me. Triz when we moving, you know I got the Act 20s with the hitting coat.
I was trying to record for y'all.
You can see me at the club, tinted SUV, getting in for free.
Where those bushes are.
So I'm getting ready. So if you're looking at the regular stream for Legacy, I'm gonna clip the left-hand side of the book.
The heat getting rid of every coat, still fucking with me.
Right there. Dude, that camera. Yep. I was trying to record for y'all.
You can see me at the club, tinted SUV, getting in for free. I'm about to make my name known. Dice full of heist. This is just
To the width of the sidewalk. That's funny.
All right.
That's a nice trail you got though.
Yep, that's our little path to the larger side of the neighborhood.
That's cool.
And then for the people in the back of the class, I'm gonna show you guys as well. Don't you worry on the streams. Show Legacy first.
Getting rid of every coat, still fucking with me. Triz when we moving, you know I got the Act 20s with the hitting coat.
I was trying to record for y'all.
You can see
And I was crashed.
rid of every
I
coat,
took the
still
left hand
fucking
side
with
of
me.
the
Triz when we moving, you know I got the Act
that's why
20s
I
with
was
the hitting coat.
crashed right there.
I was trying to record for y'all. You can see me at the club, tinted SUV.
Back to the markets. Back to the markets. We gotta make some smonnies. Some smonnies. It's let's see. On this 2 minute, I feel like that's trying to build out a nice little bear flag. If it doesn't push crazy. On this 1 minute, looks like it's gonna possibly start coming down here. Looking for the confirmations. We still have just about a little bit over 5 more minutes for that 9:45 to be completed for that 15-minute range. So let's keep that in mind here. Apex milestone sale. Okay. Just got an email from them. That's funny. They don't want to lose all this business to these other prop firms, but they have not evolved.
Well,
So
I mean, the main thing is like with Tradeify, it seems like they got some good ideas, but by doubling the price, that's kind of a ballsy move. So
yeah, no, 100%.
it's kind of like our insurance will pay quicker in a damage, but you're going to pay double the premium. So So like most people are just going to be paying that premium and not succeeding. So they're
Yeah.
banking on they're banking on the failures. That's how it's like it's like they're banking on like your insurance. They don't want to pay anything. They want to just collect that money.
Yeah.
I
That's
mean, that's business.
yeah. Listen, I've thought about wanting to open up my own insurance company because they do everything in their power not to pay out on claims.
Oh yeah. Like insurance is hard because then you start getting these scams, like the people that were coming out here and like re-roofing houses that were perfect. Just to get make the money. So. Like during Irma, like a tree fell on my roof and it damaged it. But I'm the only honest guy in the world, I guess, because I was like, my roof is already old, so I'm just gonna pay for it. And it's like people that didn't even have damage is getting like brand new roofs, and I'm like, but.
But you kept your integrity. You know what I'm saying? Like,
I can look myself in the mirror and say like, you know what, I'm not conning anybody. So there it is.
I feel like it looks like it wants to come down here. I'm waiting to see if we start getting a little push here with some momentum.
Let's get that momentum.
Starting to go down.
There's that pivot. I want to see his lose his pivot point. Let's lose this pivot. Oh, hello.
Oh, that was weird.
All right, still no trades yet. Still flat. We're coming up to that 9:45. Less than a minute now for that 15-minute range to be completed. I'm looking at this potential bear flag right here that I want to see with momentum for the confirmation here.
There's too many retracements on the 2-minute.
Yeah, I'm looking at the 2-minute. They're really tight. They're really tight on the 2-minute right now. I got the 1-minute pulled up.
It's looking like a bear setup, but
Want to see the follow through.
see the wick though?
I do see the wicks. That's why I haven't just jumped right in. Alrighty. Just sitting here right now. Just sitting here.
You're like, all right. It's like, all right, what?
We're right above this pivot point. I want to see us get below this pivot and lose it before taking a short.
I want to know, hey, Moose, are you doing okay?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm like staring at
when you first came on here, it sounded like you're speaking an octave low. You're like,
no, I'm good. I'm just staring at the damn screen now. I'm like, man, I gotta go to work a little bit. This thing ain't doing nothing. Doing 9:30 Saturday?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All right, there's that pivot. Let's see if we stay heavy here. Nope. Right above the pivot now. It's super tight right here. Super tight.
Last couple weeks, the market's been no bueno.
I feel that one.
I feel that when it, like, obviously throughout the year, it moves a lot smoother, right? But the last couple has been a little choppy. You got to catch it in and out.
That was like a huge spring up just a second ago.
Quick 140 there. Wanted to hold it a little bit more, but I feel like that pivot point is trying to hold us up here.
Yeah. Well, it seems like, to go on what Moose is saying, it's like it seems like it's extra choppy right now. So it's like you almost have to micro scalp or have a longer term plan, like when I did my first trades today. The boxer.
Just rotate. So just lock that 140 in.
The boxer.
It's crazy. Look at the current 15. It hasn't done anything in the last 4 minutes.
Yeah, it's putting everybody asleep before it does a move. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I think we have news, don't we?
No news. News was this morning.
Oh, was this morning? Okay.
Yep. I'm just trying to get on the board today. Just a green day because yesterday was a red day. So I'll take what I could get today. $140. Why not? Could I? Yep, but I'm not going to. Lock in that 140. Like, we're just dancing close to this pivot. I do not like that. Let me actually move this line down here. That'll probably be my next entry. If we get below this yellow line on the chart, I'll be taking a short.
That's like a what, 20?
That is at 581.50.
581.50.
Yeah, we get below the 581. No, that I guess that's not 581. That's 79.25 would be the place I take a short. But look at this. Like, even on
You said 25.575?
79. I'm pretty much waiting. If you're looking at the screen, I want to break below the yellow line on the chart. But we had to break through with momentum. That's the whole thing. We can't tap it. We had to like push right through it with no hesitancy.
That's what I'm seeing. It's kind of like it's just kind of just diddling along in the middle,
Yep.
which I know it's not the middle of the 15-minute range, but it's the middle of the day range with the pre-market.
All right, we're trying to get below this pivot. The pivot's trying to hold us. I feel like this could go two ways. Either we're going to lose this pivot with momentum here and start waterfalling down even further, or this pivot's going to act as support and push us up. Because above us, we do have the VWAP to 21 EMA at the middle of the 15-minute range and the close from yesterday. So we tapped that yellow line. We tapped it. You know what I'm saying? Like, so now I gotta bring it down even further because we did not get through it with like speed. Because we tapped it and popped right back up. Alrighty, glad we're not going short yet. You know what I'm saying? I'm respecting the yellow lines today. I'm not FOMOing into a trade.
You're not, you've got it all together. We know that.
I do not have it all together. Your boy lost $2,000 yesterday trading, so.
Yeah, your boy almost lost his teeth on a plant.
No, I'm so glad I did not like actually crash because that would have been really bad. Really bad.
Like and subscribe. All right, here we go.
Still playing on the yellow line.
It would do that bullshit. I see to go over that yellow line.
I jumped in as well. It tapped the line. Okay, we must be getting ready to make the move. So I jumped in. I may close this one out here.
I'm telling you, that's where that line that it's bouncing on and you drew is within like 3 points, the middle of the day range with the pre-market added. I mean, literally just diddling in the middle of that.
Mm-hmm.
And my man, there's a guy that I want to give a shout out to. Like usually when I say like what's up with him, he's dead quiet. But G, like he's like helped me out a lot yesterday. So
okay.
G. No, I mean
G's the man. G is the man.
He's the Mac, dude. He's not the man. He's the Mac. The Mac Daddy. He's like kicking ass.
He's Mac Daddy.
Mr. 1100. Like he'll just be like quiet. All of a sudden you'll just hear like 1100.
Where it counts out.
So thank you, G.
Alrighty.
Yes, thank you, G.
No, it's just this group is real. man. This is like, if the world was this group, then it'd be a better place. Like and subscribe.
You said like and subscribe.
I love it.
We'll take it. We will definitely take it. And that's what I love about building this community, you know what I'm saying? Because everyone can work together because we're all trying to accomplish the same goal.
You know what? It weeds out. It weeds out the people that are gonna hang. So you know what I mean? It's just like, and no disrespect to anybody, but we're sticking with this. It says something about your character. You know, I mean, I know in my sense, I know I said this before, but it's like it seeps into other parts of my life when I'm doing projects and stuff. I'm being very I'm very motivated to get through them and to have a discipline doing them. So
No, 100%. Trading affects every aspect of your life. You know what I'm saying? Because with trading, you're working on building your own discipline, and that discipline translates into other areas in your life off the charts.
Things you wouldn't even believe, man. But it's just like, I was gonna ask you, Duane. I got to rebuild one of my aquaponic systems. You said you wanted to join me. You want to?
Yeah. I was like, you know what? I gotta build that aquaponic system. You know what I'm saying? Can't be a day. I gotta run around town today.
You doing your cardio?
No, sadly, it's not cardio. I gotta go pick up some checks from some customers today.
No, I built like
It's going down.
Here we go.
All right, 250 right there.
3 minutes till close, though.
Just broke out of the 15-minute range right there. Popped us right back into it. I'm going to keep rotating. Just put 250 in this account. I'm not risking it for the biscuit today. Where's this one at? Getting back to the basics. Put some money in the account and rotate.
Rotate.
One trade per account. That's what I'm doing today.
We're going back out again.
That we are. Want to see if we hold this low for the next 50 seconds to put us in a new candle?
Below it. I want the candle to close below it.
Well, I would like this one. If this one can stay green on the 2 minute, if it can stay green, I want the next candle to be the red one to take as low.
Hey, that's so low down of you.
All right, so we got the new candle. We popped out, but it didn't have enough momentum.
There's not a lot of momentum today.
That's been like this entire week.
Yeah, I agree. That's why you've been so brutal. That's why you've been brutalized when you try to hold it past the mini scalp, micro scalp.
It's still choppy, right?
Yeah.
Huh?
It's looking choppy, huh?
It is, but it's hard.
See?
Hard to say right now.
I left the crib. I left up to the store right quick.
That's how choppy is. G says, bump these charts. I'm going to the store.
Hopefully by the time I come back, something, jump in the trade or something. Right now, he's just doing this little BS right now. So I was like,
Yep.
hurry up and run to the store right quick.
Such an exciting morning.
Hey, Steve.
Yo.
Hey, Steve.
Yes.
You see where it is on the box, right?
Yep. Yes, sir. I got my line.
Right.
Yeah, I got my line drawn right there.
Okay.
After all, I am the boxer.
I am the boxer.
The boxer.
Boxer.
Ding.
It wants to drop below this 15, but there's not enough momentum right now.
It's diddling in the middle, man. Because there's two middles now. It's the world's a new place for me.
Come on.
Come on, Bessie.
Like, even on the 1 minute, I feel like we're trying to print another small bear flag right there. We do have that wick on the candle, so we do have selling pressure, but it's not enough right now. Yeah, it's 10:03. Gotta love it. Gotta love it, gentlemen.
Absolutely.
Like, this is what we live for right here, fellas. We live to just watch this thing just sit around and do absolutely nothing.
Yeah.
Sadly, today I'm gonna have to cancel my water subscription. Slightly disappointed.
Why?
So the company that I was using, they had Crystal Springs water, which is my favorite water, other than like Mountain Valley glass bottles. They got bought out, so now they only carry Zephyr Hills. Yeah,
Why
I'm
do
not.
you sound so disappointed? That's Florida water, man. Florida man.
Yeah,
Florida,
but the Zephyr Hills, it has like an aftertaste, and I can't do it. Can't do it. I grew up drinking Zephyr Hills, like, yeah, I'm like, because they literally dropped 4 or 5 gallon Zephyr Hills bottles. I'm like, what's the Zephyr Hills? So we called, like, you guys gotta pick this up. We don't get the Zephyr Hills. We do Crystal Springs. Well, we discontinued the Crystal Springs.
I hate Zephyr Hills. It tastes disgusting.
What?
I'm confused, man. It's like, yeah, I feel,
man?
I mean, it's like
I hate Zephyr Hills. Yeah, you hate it. You hated that much, fool?
Yo, I hate it.
It has an aftertaste.
Yeah,
It tastes like chalky.
Dog.
okay. I think G and myself are gonna stand on the other side of it. I mean, damn, dude.
Do not jump in front of this, people. We don't like Zephyr Hills, okay? That's it.
Dude. Guess what water I'm drinking right now?
Zephyr Hills? You look like a Zephyr Hills dude. No, I'm
you're
playing.
gonna burn inside.
My goodness.
You're gonna sizzle inside.
Crystal Spring water.
So what? Is there a place that sells that water that you like, Duane?
I think they're like shutting down or something. Something happened corporate wise. So right now, the only other option I have is to get Mountain Valley glass bottle 5-gallon jugs. But
those are good too. The Mountain Valley.
yep, it's really good. But it's like for each 5-gallon jug, it's like 40-something bucks.
Damn.
Yeah. That's
Wait,
not real.
does it come with like whiskey in it?
No whiskey in it. No whiskey.
$45 for 5 gallons of water. That's bougie shit right there.
And it comes in glass too. So it's no longer the plastic 5-gallon jugs, it's glass jugs.
Which that's cool. Well,
Do
back
they
in
have
the
that? Do they have that bubble?
They have at Publix they do have Mountain Valley, just not the glass jugs. In the 5-gallon. You can only get them like directly from them. Or like through like a third party like Crystal Springs, but Prima Water.
damn.
Okay.
You know what's the best water? It has no flavor? The Sam's. It's called Sam's in Walmart.
Okay.
Yo, that water is good.
I ain't drinking that water.
Yo, if you drink Zephyr Hills, you can drink anything. You can drink. You drink Zephyr Hills. Listen, G. If you can drink Zephyr Hills, you can drink the Hudson River water.
Jesus. That's crazy. He said the Hudson.
Yo,
Oh my goodness.
it's terrible. Guacala.
See, back in the day, they all used to be glass, but I don't want to mention that because you'll think that I'm old.
Older.
Hey, the Lord renews my strength like the eagle. Duane didn't say amen.
Amen, amen. You're preaching, Steve. You're preaching.
Somebody say hallelujah.
Market's doing what the market's been doing this week. It doesn't want to give it up. It does not want to give it up to us. It's crazy. Like, it was trying to do that little bear flag, but he ain't trying to give it to us right now. It's crazy. Right back up to that pivot point. I have a bad feeling that this is what the market's going to be till the end of the year. Because towards the end of the year, that's when the market slows down a little bit. Unless like big news comes out, you know what I'm saying? So
You know what I'm saying?
you know what I'm saying.
not even gonna touch no more. I'm so annoyed.
Like, we got this bear flag that's printing. We just gotta time it to get in when it starts to come down here. Ooh. All right. Oh, yep. So we keep getting that wick. So the buyers keep trying to step in here. Want to see something. Is everyone ready for Christmas? Because I just started ordering on Amazon Christmas gifts. I'm like, this year flew by.
I'm gonna be like getting you a 5-gallon glass bottle of water.
All right, guys, I'm back.
G's back. Right. Listen, G, you went to the store and came back. Nothing happened. So.
Wow. What? I thought I missed something. I'm rushing back.
No, didn't miss anything.
You could go outside, paint your house, and come back in. At this point, it's like we're watching soccer.
We're sitting down here at the low of this 15-minute range. We popped out once again, but the Bears did not have enough momentum to keep it going there. And we're getting this wick on the 2-minute as well. So I feel like
we need to go back up to the top of the day range and then take another ride down. Can I get an amen?
Amen on that.
I mean, why not make the real money again? Let's stack them. Let's get some stacks. I want to be ready for Christmas.
You and me both. You and me both. Because I gotta buy snowsuits right now for the kids. We're gonna have into this month the first ever day vlog with my girl and just the kids snowboarding. So on a mountain up in Boston. So that's gonna be pretty cool. And for whoever just asked that, no, I'm not snowboarding. I won't be up there for the mountain trip. I go up a couple days after them because I still got things I got to handle here with the businesses.
Aren't you flying out there, right? Or are you driving?
Flying. Never driving. Kobe. I want to lose this 15-minute range. We keep popping out, but we get bought right back up.
There's no momentum, man.
For real. I don't care. I'm staying patient. I don't care.
Oh yeah, folks. See, like my man G like gave me this thing, and it totally paid bonkers on the out of the gate. So I'm
What
good.
do he give you? Let the people know.
Boxer. I'm the boxer.
The box.
A little box. Little box thing.
Okay.
Yesterday, like after I tried it, like in the afternoon, because I was just sitting there and I hit 3 times, like in the same run, I stacked 3 accounts.
Oh, that's awesome.
Pretty much all it is just pretty much making a box theory, doing the previous day high and the previous day low, and from that box, and then you just look at the market from there. If it starts from off top of that box, you sell. If it starts from the bottom of that box, buy.
Okay.
And then you put the middle, so there's 2 diddling in the middle and twice.
Right.
So like the reason why I mentioned that is if you look at where I drew the middle, it's right where
where it's at. It's right in the middle right now.
Yep, it's literally the candles are like bisecting that, like right where the middle of the day range is with the pre-market.
Okay.
So when it went up, even before market open, it hit that high, and so I just put in an ATM order and just wrote it, and it was very conservative because I was waiting for market open, and then I jumped in again. But man,
Hey, if it works, it works. You know what I'm saying? Like, if it works, it works.
you know what? It's like it's a huge tool like that. Just like the one thing that was cool about it was I set it because it was in the afternoon, and I actually left the room and let the ATM thing work.
Yeah. So you weren't like overly looking. Like you were able to walk away. If it happens, it happens. If not,
Yeah, and I mean, and it happened. So it was just like, and it does make sense because like those extreme things, if you go back, you'll see it kind of hits in that pattern. So there's like a lot of resistance there. So
yeah. No.
I don't know.
Like I said, if it works, it works. You know what I'm saying? That's
I
all.
mean,
That's all we're looking for. Things that work.
It's a tool. It's a tool in the kit for sure, but it's definitely a great addition.
Still just in this zone down here at the lowest 15-minute range. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Oh.
Gotta love it. Welcome to the music. Oh.
I had to switch it. We just finished that playlist. Alrighty. Come on. We're literally just hanging out down here.
Look, this is we could be playing like chess on the side, like rook to queen 7. Yeah.
This is straight craziness. Straight craziness. Tonight, just so you guys know, we're having another traders hangout. I've been doing it all week this week on the 2 vertical stream. Answering questions, helping people. I am putting together a training for Legacy for next Tuesday as well, where we're going to be going over live in action, spotting the entries, exits for the momentum, and I'm doing a video as well. But we're also going to do the Tradeovate walkthrough as well. So put on your calendar 7 p.m. Tuesday. We're doing that.
Okay. following in too, you know.
Right now, the market's hands off.
But it's hands on. It's going to that pivot point.
We go to the pivot and then we try to reject up here. So
the pivot point and then the EMA, 21 EMA is like right in that neighborhood now because it's been drawn down so much.
yeah,
So
seeing that.
there's double resistance or support, and then we got the VWAP, the V slop at 623.46.
Now I'm looking like, are we going to start pushing up? Because the Bears couldn't get it done. They could not get it done. Like I said, I just want to get away from this pivot point in either direction with momentum.
Let's get something. Can we do something?
No, it's waiting for us all to get off the stream to actually do something.
Probably going to that 600 level.
Right back to the pivot. That's crazy. That's just straight craziness.
You're loving it though.
No, I'm not. I'm not.
Look, you love everything because you're not going to carry hate in your heart.
Definitely not. But we literally started pushing and came right back to that pivot. I'm just going to close that trade. I closed that. Like, I'm not cut that loss short because we came right back to the pivot. Like, right back to the pivot. So, nope. Yeah, I was rotating. I'm literally only doing one trade per account today. And if it doesn't happen, I'm not trading it again. I just want to get away from this pivot.
Sorry to cut it short, but I'm having so much fun. And I got things.
What are you doing? Because it's obviously you're not having fun watching this market.
Oh, no, it was this market right here. I gotta go. I gotta see a client at 11 anyway.
All right, Lewis, have a great day, sir. I'll see you on Saturday.
All right, see you Saturday. Bye, guys.
All right.
Alrighty, we're literally we're bouncing in between this pivot and this low is 15. So we're trying. Looks like we're trying to break out here. So that's a massive breakout. Like, just so random. So random. This market is random. All righty. Are we going to stair step down here? Waiting for the next pop up.
Would like to get down to 25,418 in that area. That'd be nice.
Yeah, that would be nice. I got the next pivot point below is 483. And then we got a target lower than that, actually down at 469.50. Let's see if we build a bear flag below the 15 now, which I'll be all for. I can't move the line.
Oh boy, I'm gonna start getting duck eggs again because they're mating and they're fighting.
You see it, right?
Yeah, it's like and it's they're seasonal layers, but the drakes are all like getting into it, which means and when they start mating them, that's when they like the season's on.
Okay.
Duck eggs are very good. They're delicious.
How many eggs do they produce for you?
I mean, they're not heavy layers. Like, you know, I mean, there's some ducks that lay a lot more, but they just, you know, I'll get like, you know, a couple hundred eggs a year, but they're delicious.
Okay.
And we just raised a bunch of hens, so we'll have more eggs than I ever had.
Oh, nice.
It has double the protein of the chicken egg because the yolk is so big.
Oh, wow. Are they big eggs or?
Yeah, they'd be giant eggs for like a chicken. I mean,
okay.
And some of them will lay a smaller egg, but it's like a lot of like where I worked at a place that chefs. The chefs would all love them because you put that like you make an omelet with it or you bake with it, and it's like it takes the recipe to a whole new level.
Okay. Well, the bulls stepped in, pushing this price right back up.
That it did. Look at that. Look at that wick on that 5 minute.
Yep.
Whoa! What happened?
Someone wasn't watching the chart.
But I looked away, and then I looked back. I was shot right up. I was like, whoa!
Somebody's holding on for a short, and it's just like, bye account. Let's go right up that pivot point.
Yep.
Right back up to that middle too, on the box.
Yeah. Yep. I'm taking my hand off, and my hand's not looking at the mouse.
What if it bounces back off that pivot back down again?
That was a strong push. That was a strong push right there. I'm expecting, just me, because we've been hanging out down here for pretty much this entire session. So I'm expecting us to probably build a bull flag or something to take us up now. Build a bull flag above this pivot point.
Yeah, that's another Drake fight.
Steve's gonna have eggs on deck. He's gonna have eggs on deck.
Oh yeah, I mean they know, you know what I mean, because it's just like they can kind of know when the hens are about to produce, and they'll start fighting, and so, wow.
All right, are we going to get the bull flag up here? Let's see if we get it.
Gonna head up to the VWAP.
I feel like that VWAP wants to go up there and get tapped. Just waiting. Let's see if we get this flag.
I'm waiting, anticipating.
Moving the doodles on all the charts. Let's see if we build out a bull flag here.
Also gotta keep, yeah, we gotta also keep in mind that if we go up a little bit, we'll be hitting that full number. So.
Yep, that's 600. I will have to get off right at 11 today.
Oh, that's what he always says.
No, today I legit have to because I got to handle a lot of stuff today.
It's like 11:29. Just 5.
No, not today. Not today, sir.
He's like, it's 5 o'clock somewhere. It's 11 o'clock somewhere. I'm gonna keep it going. I meant Denver time. Come on.
Come on. Pivot touch. I want to hold that pivot. I want to stay above that pivot point.
And the market says, I don't care what you want.
Yeah.
It's like it waited and it's like, watch.
Gotta love it. Gotta love it. The battle's real right here. There we go.
Gotta get selling pressure just like right on that thing as soon as it popped up.
Not liking that little pullback. I'm watching the Rinkos dance. I don't like that. I feel like we're gonna come down and retest this yellow line once again.
I feel like you got it.
What was that? It started to, but it got paused. And I did not like that pause. Because we're extremely tight right here. We're extremely tight. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling how tight it is.
It's tighter than a bike path in Duane's neighborhood. I mean, it's ridiculous.
And that path was pretty tight, so.
Well, it's just, you know, like they've done a good job growing those hedges right up, and then the gardener just comes through and just hacks it right there. So.
No, it was a good ride though. It was a good ride yesterday.
And between that 597 and 600, between that number.
Coming back. We got that 600 right below us right now, so.
We got to touch that VWAP.
Pump back up, baby.
Yeah, we're here for it. We'll take it. All right, lock that in right there. Out of the corner of my eye, saw the middle of that 15-minute range coming, so closed out. Didn't want a rejection off of it. But I'll rotate to another account. Want to see if we build another bull flag up here now? Got 22 minutes before I got to get off here, so want another good setup. And for me, I'll probably wait till we get above the middle of the 15-minute range here, which is at 631.75. 631.75 is that middle of that range. Is that my landscaper? May have to run downstairs here. Open the backyard.
Getting closer to your target. Here we go.
Here's the middle of that 15-minute range.
Don't diddle.
We're not going to diddle in the middle. We're not diddling in the middle.
They're coming to get the recycling and stuff. That was like 2 weeks of recycling with all the holiday stuff. It's like they're earning it today.
I feel for him because when they have those off scheduled,
oh yeah,
like
especially like a major holiday. I mean, it's like, oh my lord. And then you always have the people that don't know how to recycle. I don't understand. It's not like it's a huge skill, but like I think I'll just throw the turkey carcass in it. And it's like what?
People don't have common sense, sadly.
That's right.
Let's see if we build out another bull flag up here.
I like what you're thinking.
All right, so we pushed slightly through the middle of that 15-minute range right there. We got the 645.75 for the close from yesterday.
We gotta keep moving and grooving.
I slightly want to target that 645 level, but we didn't get a flag, so.
It's finding resistance right at that middle, man. You look at the 1 minute.
Yeah, I got the 1 minute pulled up. We've been super tight today in a lot of areas. Need something. I want to see something here. I'm not overly excited about building a bull flag below this middle of this 15-minute range. The joys, the joys. Still above this VWAP though, so we are above that at least, but we're pinned between the VWAP and the middle of this 15-minute range currently. And I feel like just how this market's been moving, we're going to go up above the middle of the 15, then we'll get pinned between the 15 and the close, like something like that possibly. Come on, Betsy. Give us something here. I see a bull flag slightly, but it's not big enough for me. You know what I'm saying? Like,
you know, we need to have fun. We need to have movement.
we need the momentum. And without it, we're not going anywhere fast. That's for sure.
So in the aquaponic system, we got celery growing.
Okay.
So like, what is the secret aquaponics? I'm glad you asked. It's like, you know, you have the fish that are growing out, and then you pump the water up into the lava rock, and it just all the nutrients get in there, and then the plants grow in that, and they grow very hardy.
Okay. Does it take a long time to get that stuff set up?
Well, it's you know, it's just like you know, I cycle the stuff, so even if you clean it out, there's so much stuff in the pores that it's just a healthy system. So
Yeah.
this is like after like 3 years, I got to take it out, and I'm gonna have like a bunch of stuff I clean. I'm gonna put it right on a garden bed, and then grow some onions in that.
Oh, okay. Below the VWAP now. We are officially below the VWAP.
Okay, here we go. We're retracement. Did that
Got that 21 EMA right below us. So
and that whole number, don't forget about that as well. We got the pivot point that's like looking at us.
well, that little dip right there. Let's see if we maybe build out a little bear flag, potentially. Because at this point, I feel like the pivot point wants to be touched again. All right, 12 more minutes. 12 more minutes, and I'm getting off here. Oh, I see a small bear flag on the 1 minute. Right back to that pivot point. Hopefully tomorrow we get a little bit better price movement, but we have no news tomorrow whatsoever. So tomorrow may be another chop day. Yeah, I'm thinking about cutting it early. Like, this is painful. This is painful to watch.
You're not having fun?
Oh, I'm having fun with you guys. I'm not having fun with the market.
No, the market is kind of being lame right now. But I mean, it paid me. I can't complain.
Hey, I put money in some accounts, so I'm not complaining either. But
And I'm giving another shout out to the guy that's muted right now. But known certain people. No, I just show him respect, man. I just really appreciate you sharing and stuff, because that like is the bomb. I'd be going crazy without that today.
Keep going down, Benson.
Come on.
let's lose this pivot. Let's lose this pivot.
Yeah. I probably bounce back up. Bounce back up to the 6, son.
Nizam. Well, the market's been slow today. It's December. Market's moving slow this month. Started middle of last month all the way through now. So market is moving slower. So it is what it is. We're just literally waiting for if a move happens that we could take. If not, we come back tomorrow.
Oh, look
All right, we're losing this pivot.
Time for more momentum.
So on the 1 minute, we had 2 small bear flags print. Bull's trying to step in right there.
As soon as you said that, it's like that flagpole just like disappeared. Sorry, I thought that was funny. You're like, look at that bear flag. It's like, oh,
Well,
I mean,
technically, if
it still very much could be a bear flag, but it was like, let's just turn into a shooting star. Okay.
I actually thought about Bitcoin mining back in the day, but nothing recent.
So you're selling those Bitcoin miners that you can have, but it seems like it's more a toy than a
Yeah, producer.
Yeah. Ethereum paid me very well, man. I got I jumped in. I made 100% on my money in less than a month, and I jumped out. And then at one crypto place, I didn't have money in it, but it tanked, and so I haven't done anything since.
I've been buying crypto on all the dips lately, just on a couple coins, and those are just long-term holds for me.
I remember you said you made $5 on one of them.
I'm up $14 a day. You know, we can maybe get like some hibachi from my favorite hibachi spot. With that, I could get their large bowl with that $14.
Better hold out.
You as well, sir. You as well. Yep, not feeling this. Not feeling it whatsoever. Let me not even look at the charts anymore, because for me personally, like the lack of momentum is the struggle for me.
But yeah, it's not trading from the box, and there's no momentum, so I'm waiting, anticipating.
Yes, sir, Nazim. I am a hacker. I'm a hacker. Yep. What was that, G?
No, I was talking to Steve. I was seeing if it's away from the box.
I'm waiting for it to get to the edge of the box again, so I can make another play.
Oh, I just move it over, pretty much.
Yeah.
We're consolidating right here.
Forming out of that box.
Yeah, I just figure since it hit in the middle, of the box. So I'm still learning, but I've taken 5 trades. Yeah, I guess five trades that are like real trades, and all of them have been profitable. So it's just like the box, the box.
Boy, Jay jumped in. Come on down.
Come on, Bessie.
Take it slower. It's dancing.
Right.
I mean, it's
Come on.
Another aw.
It's dancing over here, man. Okay, come out. Uh-oh. Doing this little.
Well, you look at that. It's making enough fair play.
Yeah, she's dancing right now, boys. She dancing, but
He's dancing, but nobody's watching because we're all falling asleep.
pretty much.
I can't believe you don't want to help me fix my aquaponics system.
Well, I do. I had to handle some other things today. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's my issue.
And it's just a service on it, but I build it all myself, so it's like that's the best because I know exactly what I need to do. You know what I mean? If you engineer something yourself, it's like
Yeah, you know exactly how everything works.
Yep. They make some of them, but it's like the cost of them is insane. So it's like I'll build one for 5% of the cost that's bigger and better.
Yeah.
Down.
Well, I got out because we were dancing. We're consolidating right now, so I'm not trying to sit in the consolidation.
That's right. I remember, like when you go to like the weddings and you're doing the dancing, like you do the consolidation dance.
Oh, it's 11 o'clock. That's why.
Yep, it's officially 11, gentlemen. We know what time that means.
That's the time that Duane procrastinates.
No, I gotta get off here. I gotta go handle some stuff for the other businesses. So tomorrow, Friday, we're gonna have fun. 9:20 a.m. Once again, we'll be back tonight. Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. If you guys are going to continue trading, stay safe in the markets. And that's all I got for you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
All right, my friends. Have a good one, okay?
You as well. No, it's not gonna hold me. I'm gone. I'm gone.
That was a good 400 right there.
That's good for you. I gotta get out of here so I don't trade. All right, gentlemen.